How to translate in Brave browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Brave browser, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right, then click on settings, and here you need to scroll down to the display section, and from there click on languages. And as you can see here in the Brave's language section, you have this feature or option that says use Brave Translate, and it has a toggle next to it that's turned off. So click on that toggle to activate and enable the Brave browser translation. When you do that, you will get this pop-up that tells you that the changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Brave, and it gives you the option to relaunch it later or relaunch it now. Click on relaunch now to activate the feature. Now that we have activated the feature, the translation feature in the Brave browser, we need to choose the language that we want the translation to be to. So click on those three dots again, go to settings, scroll down to the display, click on languages again, and here in the second section, as you can see, it tells you preferred languages, and it tells you websites will show text in your preferred language when possible, and it gives you the option to add language. So click on it. Say for example you wanted the websites to translate to, say, French, for example. Let's click on French right here, and as you can see here, it gives you this option that will allow you to choose your preferred language. Say for example, if you have multiple languages, you can choose French, then English, then for example say Arabic, etc. So the translation will be in this order when possible. So it's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can use translation in the Brave browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.